All right, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. Once again, we're going to kickstart the next session. It is 11:30. I know that some of you have just came in, who are walking in right now. You're in luck as we're going to kickstart the next session. And to those who just walk in, welcome to MTE 2025 as we are now going to continue to explore in terms of technologies and ideas reshaping the future of manufacturing and supply chain ecosystem. Now, this session is titled Integrated to Agentic AI Logistic Reimagine. So, invited us to look beyond automation and into a future where logistic system think, adapts, and collaborate. In this morning, we are honored to welcome Mr. Srijan Chaudhary, Group Sales and Growth Director at Binary Semantics Limited, as our speaker with deep expertise in enterprise transformation and digital logistics. Mr. Srijan brings a global perspective on how agentic AI is redefining operational intelligence across industry. And joining him in moderating today's session is Miss Alice Liao, Head of Sales Solution and Alliances at Binary Semantics Sindhya Berhad, whose leadership in strategic partnership and solutions design has helped bridge innovation with real-world impact. Together, they will explore how embedding agentic AI into integrated logistic platform transport static workflows into dynamic insight-driven networks capable of anticipating disruption, optimizing in real time, and building resilience across the supply chain. If you're curious about the future of AI-human synergy, IoT-enabled logistic, and adaptive operation, this session promises to deliver both vision and actionable insights. I think our speaker is eager, so let's put our hands to welcome the speakers for today, Mr. Srijan Chaudhary and Miss Alice Liao. Let's welcome them up on stage.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, kawan-kawan sekalian. It's me again. Now we are very thank you for sitting down with us and spend your time with us for the next 20 minutes to 30 minutes. We're together with Srijan. And hi Srijan, glad to see you here.
Hi, glad to see you as well.
So let us, now, who missed the session yesterday? Right, let me take some time to recap. So yesterday we were here at the same venue. We talked about the journey map, the IAA. So first step, integrated. Second is augmented. Then last, today we talk about agentic AI. So that we actually talk about in order for agentic AI, we need three attributes, FSS. F stands for faster, but we need to be smart, and then we need to be safe. I think that's the attributes for our future. Now, Cesar and I, we talk about the entire journey of IAA, and we talk about silo system. In current situation, in our current market today, Srijan, right? We talk about, we have seen that all the vendors or the solution providers, they are very expertise in their own domain, right? And they like WMS, TMS, this and that. Yes. Now, when we wanted to have a consolidated solution provider to our customer, we need to eliminate silos. We need them to kawin, in Malay what we call kawin, or we need to integrate them together. So we talk about that. And of course, when we integrated, then we go into augmented AI. Which augmented means that we have our intelligence, which is who can assist the human being. So augmented is human in loop. So there still need the interventions by the humans. Yes. Human touch, this and that. Now, in the next future, Srijan, yes, we need you here to let us know what can we do or what should we do in order for us to do the agentic AI, which apply intelligence, who can actually help us to achieve the goal, who can actually help us to autonomy the entire architecture. What should we do here? Absolutely. I think that's the title of today here. Right, let us.
Yeah, so.
I will. Okay. Now, Srijan said, what do you think that, how do we start here?
Yeah, so good morning everyone. Thanks Alice for the intro and talking about yesterday and how integration is the core foundation to enable agentic AI, where different systems need to be interoperable, talk to each other, and enable data to be visible to each and every person in the supply chain. So today we'll dive deeper into reimagining logistics with agentic AI, and let's dive deep into it let's start by a video which is co-created by our design AI agent and human designers where the video will talk about a connected autonomous logistics ecosystem. So
Right.
let's visualize it together.
Oh, your point. I, it,
Oh, no audio. No audio.
Effortlessly orchestrated by intelligent agents that learn, adapt,
Shall
and
I-
opt.
Okay, let's play again.
yep.
In the world of manufacturing, speed and precision are everything. But what if logistics, the heartbeat of your operation, could be effortlessly orchestrated by intelligent agents that learn, adapt, and optimize on their own? Welcome to the future. Welcome to Agentic AI, where logistics is reimagined as a living, learning network, embedded deep within the DNA of supply chains. Imagine every pallet, every part, and every truck tracked and managed by autonomous agents. No more guesswork, no more delays. Just insight-driven efficiency, continuous improvement, and unparalleled agility. From predictive inventory to last-mile delivery, AI agents handle it all. They coordinate suppliers, predict disruptions, and suggest optimal routes in real time.
Wow, so hope a glimpse, though it was a short glimpse but hope it excited everyone. Did it?
Yeah.
Okay. Did it
excites
excite
me.
you?
Yes, of course. I mean, it's a dream to me having a drone flying around and then do the task that you're supposed to do. That's kind of impossible to me at this juncture. Yeah. But
Long journey, but yeah.
yes, yes. But if you look at the market today, how do we reach to this future, Srijan? I mean,
Yeah.
they will talk about two main keywords here. Integration first.
Yes.
Then we come to augmenting it. Then we agentic it, right? So I think that's what we talk about it. So
Yeah.
with most organizations today, which is all of us here, our partners, our future partners, potential partners,
Correct.
you see, they are all somewhere between integration and augmented AI.
Yes,
So they
yes.
have the system. Somehow the system integrated. Maybe certain tasks has been combined. Somehow human intervention is still needed here.
Correct.
Right? So without this digital backbone, we all know the AI can't scale it, right?
Absolutely.
So it just becomes isolated tools, and we don't want that. Our client put investment on us, we need to optimize the investment. I think that's the purpose here. So what do you think here?
Yeah, absolutely, Alice, you're right. Most companies are in the integration or augmented, and some companies are also implementing agentic AI in small parts of the system.
Right.
So companies are, the small pilots that companies are running are usually in the areas of predictive maintenance, demand forecasting, supplier communications, customer support, especially the L1, handling L1 queries,
Yep.
and sales agents who kind of cross-sell and upsell to the customers. So these are most of the cases that are being handled by AI currently. But most of these cases are kind of single use cases and not
Right.
an orchestrated ecosystem.
Siloed,
Yeah. So these are like islands of intelligence in the sea of multiple logistics processes.
Right.
So the future vision will lie in scaling beyond these pilots in a phased manner. And obviously it starts with integration. So probably next, let's first look at what all different systems work in the ecosystem and how they need to be integrated.
Wow.
Lot of systems.
It's a lot of system.
Yeah. So I think integration is the key foundation in linking all these systems together. And these are all core pillars of the supply chain, manufacturing, for it to work together in a seamless way. So the first step is integrating to make data visible to each and every person in the ecosystem. So all these systems need to be first microservices driven, talking to each other and enabling a future of agentic AI, bringing visibility in all the processes. So the planning platforms orchestrate demand and design with real-time scenario planning. The execution systems are the core operational backbone of
Right.
any manufacturing company. And similarly, the command center, control tower safety and security form the core central nervous system for resilience.
Right.
So all the systems need to talk to the command center and control towers. Similarly,
Right.
collaboration channels, they need to communicate with the suppliers and the partners. So these platforms become, again, all systems become critical to integrate with these kind of platforms as well. Then IoT analytics and AI layer sit as an intelligence layer which enable faster decision making for the
Right.
humans.
Right.
And specialized systems with focus on the quality, sustainable, all meeting the market demands. Again,
Right.
all systems need to share data with these specialized systems to meet those market demands.
Right. My apologies. I was so short-sighted when I first time see this slide. I was like, wow, it's so complicated. What after you explain, articulated it, you see each one of them is having their own tasks.
Yeah, correct.
So, but if you see underneath of them, they're actually consolidated by several of functions, and that actually helps us to simplify each of the agents here, like planning agents, executive agents, right, and then optimize the task.
Correct.
You are right. So okay, let's now look at the augmented AI, right? So
Yeah.
the augmented AI is all about acting as co-pilot, like
Correct.
co-pilot, co-work, you know,
Yes.
co-working, walking together. Now, to humans and provide recommendations, suggestions, right? This is augmented AI. But human, at the end of the day, human was the one or is the one who take the final thing.
Correct.
Okay, this is
Correct.
what you're supposed to do. Now, what's your thought here?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. In this phase, AI acts as co-pilot for the
Right.
humans. And it's more of delivering advanced analytics and predictive recommendations by the AI to the humans. But humans are the ones who steer the strategy, who make the decisions and resolve exceptions and make judgments. AI will only act as co-pilots. So these are some of the use cases that in which AI recommends, but
Right.
humans are the one driving the ecosystem. And this is a critical step in humans to trust AI more and train AI to start making be more effective for
Right.
the humans. So there's some use cases, procurement, where AI recommends suppliers based on cost, ESG, the history, but then human decides
Decide,
what
yes.
needs to be done.
That's right.
In inbound, AI will predict the ETAs of the inbound material coming in and advises dock labor rescheduling. In operations, AI suggests truck to bay assignment when it's in plant, and the AI will recommend how many trucks are coming in, what bays it needs to assign to, and reduce plant congestion without any. Give
Traffic
humans.
jam.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Then after the truck is in the bay, then material handling, AI will optimize all the AGVs to pick up and put in the production line. So AI will recommend all these paths and humans will act on it.
Right.
Similarly, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's move on, yeah.
Let's watch the movie again. The video, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the point there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now tell me, what do you feel?
In the world of manufacturing, speed
So, oh,
Oh,
so we've covered integration, augmented. So let's rewatch the video again
Yeah.
and then we'll talk
In the
about.
world of manufacturing, speed and precision are everything. But what if logistics, the heartbeat of your operation, could be effortlessly orchestrated by intelligent agents that learn, adapt, and optimize on their own? Welcome to the future. Welcome to Agentic AI, where logistics is reimagined as a living, learning network, embedded deep within the DNA of supply chains. Imagine every pallet, every part, and every truck tracked and managed by autonomous agents. No more guesswork, no more delays. Just insight-driven efficiency, continuous improvement, and unparalleled agility. From predictive inventory to last-mile delivery, AI agents handle it all. They coordinate suppliers, predict disruptions, and suggest optimal routes in real time.
Yeah, I think that's right. No more delays, no more blind spot. No gray color, just black and white. I think that's the message here. You see, agentic AI, Srijan, that is the game changer. Yeah, I think that's a game changer.
Absolutely, yeah.
Because autonomous AI has helped you to make decisions. I mean, lesser human interactions, I would say. Now, according to DHL, they say autonomous AI can achieve up to 99%
Yeah.
of on-time delivery. So 99%, I think that's probably a dream for us. But after we have all this agentic AI on top of all these tasks,
Absolutely.
it's a piece of cake.
Yeah.
It's peanuts, right? So I think that also buckle up with our founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos. He said that autonomy is the ultimate enabler.
Yeah.
Autonomous is an ultimate enabler. So that we need that to be in place now, Srijan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So definitely a journey. So this talks about how multi-agents can talk to each other. So this is just an example of how multi-agent interactions can take place. So in a connected plant, agents won't work in silos. They will be in constant conversation with each other to continue to optimize the
Right.
ecosystem. So we'll take an example of a steady state, and then we'll also talk of a disruption in how agents will interact with each other. So in the steady state, the procurement agent confirms an incoming supplier shipments and shares that data with the compliance agent, who will validate all the documentation and the paperwork. Then compliance agent transfers it to the transport agent, gives his validation. Transport agent then will book the carriers,
Right.
freights, and then predicts the ETA of when the material will be arriving. So the warehouse agent automatically gets that info. So now the warehouse agent automatically can plan his own schedule and prepare the dock slots and update the inventory. Similarly, production agent will enable the MES to plan the material in the production line.
Right.
And customer communication agent will ensure be ready to keep informing the customers on the status of all the things. So if we look at a disruption scenario, let's say transport gets delayed, right? So how do agents solve it on their own in real time, right? Without human intervention. So transport agent will detect a delay, and let's say it was because of a compliance issue. So transport agent talks to all these different agents in real time at the
Right.
same time. So to parallelly, compliance agent will check and resolve all the missing paperwork or the discrepancies in the documents and correct it without the intervention of humans. And then parallelly, the production agent will resequence all the operations to keep the production lines moving without stoppage. Similarly, warehouse agent will reschedule the docks and reallocate the AGVs to handle material in parallelly.
Right.
And customer communication agent can inform the schedule accordingly. So this is an example. If a disruption occurs, agents can talk to each other and solve the problem in milliseconds.
All this is automatically.
All automatically. And
So-
humans will oversee.
Oversee it. So
Yeah.
do I understand correctly? It means that if today the use case was, or the use case is, that see, the procurement come in with orders. So
Yeah.
the orders created.
Yeah.
And then they will check the compliances, whether it's okay or not okay
Yeah,
to put
yeah.
on. However, when come to the production
Yeah,
phases,
yeah,
the raw material was not ready. So you were saying that autonomous come in here,
Yeah.
they will actually stop the productions, rewind back or reverse back to the compliance agent and the procurement agent and inform the customer that, you know what, your order, I received it. but I can't provide, or I can't produce, or I can't deliver to you on time. So
Yeah.
all this is
Yeah.
automatically.
Though actually it can go a step further, wherein instead of acting the delay, the agent will act on itself and look for a rework solution.
Right, okay.
So it may align a different supplier which gives material to them faster, or some other material gets in the production line to make it more efficient.
It will not stop there. It will look for other alternatives.
Options, yeah, alternatives.
And then he will look
correct.
for second supplier to get the required raw material
Correct,
come in
correct.
and restart the productions.
Correct, correct.
Right.
So let us,
Now this is the,
yeah. So I think this is just an example of how we move from integration to augmentation to autonomy. So in different logistics processes, from inbound to inbound to outbound. So in integration phase, everything is connected, right? It
Right.
is visible, everything is visible to humans. And humans would coordinate with each other to solve the problems. In augmented, AI will predict and recommend, and humans will kind of act on it and make the decision. And in the last phase, AI will automatically do the things with humans overseeing the entire process, and humans can focus more on intelligence, and AI will handle the operational burdens and the tasks.
okay. So now next is that, is Malaysia ready?
Yeah,
Yes, it is. As a Malaysian, I'm proud to say that our government is, there are far visions, if you ask me. So we have Malaysia Madani 2025. We Industry 4.0 upgraded to 5.0. So that is very good news to our manufacturing domain. And we have a National AI Office who together work with MDEC, right, that come up with a lot of grant to us, to you, for you to pursue your business goal. And then they also have an assistant to actually advise you. They have workshop, AI workshop that you can attend, that you can register and attend. I think we have this MALT Logistics Expo that also gave us a lot of exposures. You can see a lot of big machines, this and that. If the Agentic AI come in to combine all the machines, I think we are definitely achieve our business goal, you know. I think, see, Malaysia is already have this laid down ground for us. So as a business owner here in Malaysia, this is for you to actions. I think that would be my keywords here for this slide. Now, Srijan, Malaysia is ready.
absolutely, yeah.
So what we need to do now? Of course we can do. Binary semantics can do everything, but what we need
Not
to do
everything.
now? We will try to do everything.
The purpose is to contribute in the
Okay.
ecosystem.
Understand.
So that everything is interoperable, right? So even if there's different systems, they should talk to each other.
Right.
So that's
right.
the goal. So whenever anyone implements a solution, they should ensure that it is interoperable and it can interact with different systems.
Nice.
And even AI agents can be plug and played in those systems, so that whatever system the company is using, anything can come in and kind of optimize in a plug and play fashion.
Right.
Yeah.
So what we need to do?
Yeah. So we'll talk just a bit about ecosystem. As you mentioned, Malaysia is ready, and Malaysia is all ready to become kind of leaders in AI and logistics together, and they've laid out a lot of different policies and to kind of reach that vision.
Right.
So binary semantics, as I mentioned, it's important that all systems and products are interoperable, microservices driven, talk to each other, or are plug and played in a way in which it can talk to different systems, right? So we'll talk about some of our systems. So Comply Robo, iDoc Robo, they look into the automation flows of invoices and key documents and logistics documents in the ecosystem, which can be automatically integrated with different systems. Then Fleet Robo covers the inbound to in-plant to outbound logistics, and all the different systems within the inbound in-plant ecosystem can be integrated together, or the data can be passed on for it to be a connected ecosystem.
Right.
Similarly, we have iVision Robo in our ecosystem, which leverages the IoT cameras, visual data to using computer vision to kind of mix up augmented AI with the connected ecosystem. Then Workforce Robo integrating safety, workforce safety in with the logistics operations within the plant. iChat Robo, which enable communication, AI communication, and voice agents across the ecosystem. So vision, obviously, the core vision is obviously to move towards agentic AI in a phased manner. That's the core, and this is the foundation through which we can, in a phased manner, move towards agentic AI. Yeah.
Fantastic.
So the dream would be to, again, systems to work autonomously, and real-time decisions can happen really quickly.
Right. The keywords is autonomously and also real-time
Real-time, yes.
tracking. I think that's the keywords here.
Absolutely.
So I think for binary semantics, it's a long journey, but again, it's a short journeys as well. So agentic AI is a step-by-step journey. Let's all travel together.
Yes.
Right. I think that's. Thank you, Srijan, for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody for your time.
Thank you.